In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean your Vitamix. Now here we have the residue from a black bean dip that we made earlier. We're going to put into our container around 2 cups of water, and then we're going to top up with a couple of drops of washing up liquid. That's more than enough. Secure the lid. We're going to run from speed 1 up to speed 10, and we're going to let it go for around 10 or 15 seconds. If you have the A3500, you could use the preset, but we're going to do this manually. On high speed. Okay, in around 10 seconds we're done. We just need to pour this away, give it a rinse under the tap, and I'll show you how clean your machine can get. So now we're going to pour away the soapy suds, give this container a rinse under the tap, and there you can see we now have a very clean container.